Welcome back to my workshop. Now today's probably going to be the shortest video I've ever made because it's now Christmas. There you go, how very festive. All I wanted to do was take this opportunity to thank everybody that supported my channel for the last year. And I'd like to wish you all a very, very merry, happy Christmas. Okay, without all your support, I just wouldn't be able to do this channel at all. The most important person out of everybody is obviously Mrs. Little Workshop, who puts up with a lot. But there's a few other people who've inspired or entertained me over the last year. These are other YouTubers. And I'd like to just quickly give them a quick shout out. Now we're going to start off, I've got them written down here because I'm a bit rubbish at remembering. I'd like to start off with Peter Millard from 10 Minute Workshop. Now Peter Millard's a true gent, got a really, really professional looking YouTube channel, and he's one of the best. Okay, I've got Keith Brown, who is from Rag and Bone Brown. He's an excellent YouTuber. Him and Matt from Badger Workshop. Now both of those have just started up a podcast, so if you find yourself wanting to listen to something, then that's their podcast you want to listen to, and it's called Workshop Banter. Okay, next I've got Leo from Handicraft. Now Leo is a true inspiration. Again, he's entertained me for the last year. Now Leo has put up with a lot and he works against all adversity. He really, really is an inspiring YouTuber. If you get a chance, check out his channel. Next, Carl Pope. Now Carl Pope, decent bloke, excellent bloke. He's had a very busy year and he's now got to the point where he's actually opened up another workshop and he's teaching normal people how to do woodcraft. So yeah, all the best to you there, Carl. I hope you do well this year. Claire from Making It Out of the Woods. Now Claire set a challenge earlier in the year to make a tea light holder. I enjoyed that immensely, that challenge. But Claire's channel, she does a lot of wood turning and little entertaining projects. So if you get a chance, check out her channel. Now Dave from Grumpy's Workshop. Now Dave's a busy bloke, not always the happiest in the world, but he's a busy bloke, always entertaining, and he's just done up his workshop, or he's just doing up his workshop. So if you get a chance, check out his channel. And finally, from this side of the pond, David from In the Workshop. Now David's always entertaining. He's got a nice little setup in his little shed. He's a good bloke. Okay, so check him out. And just a quick mention to some of my other fellow YouTubers from the other side of the world. Okay, these are from Down Under. That's Dirk from Sumo's Projects, Chris from Built by Chris, and James Fix It Fingers, and also Mario, the Woodfather. Okay, these guys are all from Down Under, always entertaining, fantastic sense of humour, worth checking them out. And James, I hope you're having turkey for Christmas. Right, well that's about it from me for this year. I'd like to say again thank you to all my subscribers and everyone who comments on my channel. Thank you very much for the support, it means a lot. And it'd mean even more if you sort of shared some of my videos. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and I'll see you next year. Merry Christmas. Bye.